So here's 4 ways to clean lash extensions for lash artists. The first way is to use a brush with a foam cleanser. It's best to use a small fluffy brush with really flexible and soft bristles. This way it makes it really easy to maneuver between the lashes, going in all directions without damaging or catching onto the extensions. So you can really see how flexible these bristles are. And don't forget to use the cleanser on the eyelid as well, which is where it tends to get really oily. So just pretty much keep repeating these motions until you feel like you've got everything in between the lashes, the eyelids, and a little bit of the under eye as well.
The second way is to use a disposable applicator. This one is my personal favorite because the applicator tip is lint-free, so it doesn't get caught in the extensions, and is also firm enough to clean effectively in between the lashes and along the lash line. The size of the applicator tip is also perfect to distribute the lash cleanser throughout the lashes. These applicators are very inexpensive, which makes it perfect for a one-time use per client. You can also use a disposable mascara wand to gently brush and spread the cleanser through the lashes. This helps to evenly distribute the lash cleanser along the lashes, and it also helps to exfoliate the lashes by removing any debris that might be stuck on the lashes. I recommend doing this as an extra second step.
So another way to clean lash extensions is to actually use less products so that you do not have to rinse it with water after. Since this is considered the dry method where you don't have to rinse with water after, I usually like to place my gel pads first. So this is the gel pad that we're going to continue using after we're done cleaning the lashes, and we're going to continue with the fill set with the same gel pad. So first, I just add a small drop of gel cleanser onto the disposable brush. Less is actually more. And then I just go through the lashes, and you can see that I use a popsicle stick or a coffee stirrer to support the lashes on the other side, and just to make sure that the stuff doesn't get onto the gel pad, because this is the same gel pad that we're going to be using for our fill appointment. And here I'm just going in and making sure that I get every single lash in between. So with this method, I actually like to go from the base of the extensions to the tip of the extensions. And I do this because this disposable applicator is a bit on the stiffer side. So just going in one direction from the base to the tips actually prevents any lashes from tugging off. So after we're done with that, this is considered the dry method for rinsing the lashes. And what I'm doing off screen, you can't really see it right now, but I'm actually using a new disposable applicator and putting a few drops of distilled water on the disposable applicator. And it's super important to use a new applicator because you do not want to add more cleanser back onto the lashes. We're trying to rinse it off with some water. And as you can see, it's not getting on the gel pad again. We're using the popsicle stick or the coffee stirrer to support the lashes and preventing it from getting onto the gel pad and making a mess. So what this is doing is the water is diluting the cleanser, and it's essentially rinsing it off. And we're just going to keep repeating the same steps. So we're going to go ahead and rinse the disposable applicator, add a couple drops of new water, and then we're just going to continue it all over again. So we're going to keep repeating it until we feel that the lashes aren't sticky and slippery from the cleanser residue anymore.
Lastly, another way you can cleanse and prep lash extensions is by using 2 microswabs. This is a very effective way to clean the bases of the lashes. Use gentle gliding motions to work the cleanser into the lashes. Use the tips of the microswabs to gently sandwich the lashes and continuously work the cleanser into the lashes. Just keep working left and right throughout the entire lash line. I find that this method works best as an extra second step because you can double check the lash line for debris that you might have missed during the first cleanse. The gel pads work really well to provide a clean and sturdy surface while you work on the upper lashes, because sometimes I feel that without the gel pads, the bottom lashes and the under eye skin can make it hard to thoroughly cleanse the upper lash line and see what you're working on. Because the microswabs have such small tips, make sure to reapply or add some more lash cleanser as needed. It really depends on the condition of your client's lashes, and just use your best judgment on what you feel is necessary. Personally, I like to be more thorough when it comes to cleansing and prepping the lash extensions because I want to make sure that the lashes are properly prepped in order for the lash glue to adhere securely. After cleansing, always make sure to rinse the entire eye thoroughly with water and then use a fan to dry off the lashes and brush them through to fluff them back up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more lash tips and tricks.